Hi, this is a product demo for Cohort 15, which is a web app for forming small, high intent online groups. High intent, or in other words, high commitment groups. There are two ways you can participate. You can either publish a cohort request, or you can browse existing cohorts and join one of the cohorts if there are any available. So let's go through creating a cohort. All you have to do is click on the button, and then there's a form here. The form has some basic fields that you'll have to fill, like the email, title, description, categories. What is the purpose of the cohort? Is it to learn, build, practice, accountability, open source, explore? Explore is basically general. What are the topics that will be covered here? What is the target audiences? What is the skill level of these audiences? And what is the minimum quorum? For this group to form, what is the minimum number of people that have to be committed? So that you also set that up. You can put in some additional details. You provide a meeting link, which either has to be a Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Discord, or Slack links. And then you put in your date and time. This has to be 7 days after the meeting request has been, or the cohort request has been created, because the cohort request will stay alive for 7 days. And you can put in your duration. You'll put in the recurrence. How often would you be meeting? Would you be meeting daily, or would you just meet once, or weekly, or bi-weekly, or monthly? And then you can put in the total number of times that you'll be meeting together. And these can all change. These are just for people to understand what they're committing to. And then you create a cohort request. So I just created a cohort request, and this is what the request looks like. It says learn TypeScript. This is for learning TypeScript for beginners. TypeScript is one of the most used languages, blah blah blah. This is when I'll be meeting, and the meeting will last for 60 minutes. So if I'm interested in this, I'll have to check if this timing makes sense for me personally, and if it does not, I'll skip this. But if it does, what I do is I'll get in here and I'll show interest. I also want to learn TypeScript, so let me show interest. I'm going to put my email, and I'm going to say I'm interested. So that means 1 out of the 3 people have shown commitment. As soon as this group is formed, I will get all the people that are committed, or the creator will be getting emails, so that they can meet, and the email will contain the meeting link. If the quorum is not met, the meeting link will not be public. Once the quorum is met, the meeting link becomes public. So that's the basic function of how Cohort 15 works. At this stage, what we are doing is we are taking these individual cohort requests, and we are going around different social medias and personally reaching out to people and stuff like that. Once we validate the idea, we'll be automating all of this. All right, thank you.